Hello friends, this is Kaushik. Welcome to your channel Banker's Place. So today I have given this sectional mock for reasoning for the upcoming banking exam in 2022. So basically I'm following the SBI clerk 2022 and also the esic UDC. So this is my marks, and my marks is, you guys can see, 21 out of 35, and also the rank I got, that is 197 out of 2590, and also the accuracy is 100% because I had attempted 21 questions and 21 questions were right, and the percentile is 92.39, which is not bad, I think, but decent. I mean, not good and not bad also, so it decent. It could have been better also, but yeah, the questions and basically the puzzle was very lengthy. Two puzzles were there, and this that two puzzle were very lengthy, so that's why I could not attempt so many questions. So this is it, guys. You guys can see, but it could have been better. Almost, if I would have been getting 26 to 27, then i I'll satisfy, but no issues. I'll work hard for the next mock. Till then, see you guys. Till then, take care and bye bye.